Hi YouTube family, hope you all are doing well. Today I am showing you about how to combine cells by using concatenate formula in Excel. So let me brief you about the formula, how to use concatenate in Excel to combine cells, contents and including formulas within the concatenation. So works well with the large amount of data, often used when the combining address. Thus, if you have 4 cells with 4 part of another name address and you want all of them in one cell, so you can use this formula called as concatenate feature to do this quickly and consistently. Before I start this video, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on subscribe button and click on the bell icon to for daily new videos, so you never miss an update. Also, if you want any particular videos to be made, please let me know on comment section below and I will make the video for you. So without wasting any time, let's start how to use the concatenate formula. So I have a one sheet called as sample data for concatenate. So in the sample data I have ID card number, the name of the person and the age. So if I want the ID card number, name and add age in one column, what I will do, if I just copy, paste and if another copy the name, put space dash space and then age, it will take big time to sort out. If I have at the moment I have 75 entries, so if I start like this, it will take me ages to finish this list. So what can I do to finish this work quickly? So what we will using the concatenate option to get this result. So first of all, using concatenate, what will I do, I will putting space dash space hyphen in the column E. Then what will I do, I will press is equal to, then write concatenate into bracket, I require ID card, then press and then I will put dash hyphen, then again and the name again and hyphen again, then age. See, the results are here. So I got ID number hyphen name of the person hyphen the age of the person. So if I drag and drop this formula, all the things will be done in couple of minutes. So it is easy task that you can finish off in couple of minutes, where rather you type and just put the formula, put the data into the column. So if I want to copy this thing into another cell, what I have to do first is I have to just copy it, then right click, paste special and values and then put on enter. So the formula will be gone and the data will be there. If I want to copy, suppose I copy and paste it here, so it will be get disturbed because this is the formula, I just copy that formula and the cell got shift. So I have to just copy, right click, paste special, select the values only and press OK. So once I did it, then I can copy and paste in any column that I want. So this is the simple formula that you can use on your day-to-day life and get all the datas within couple of minutes. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like this video, share your comments and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get the notification. Also, if you have require any particular videos to be made, don't just let me know and I can make that video for you. And if you have any queries regarding this concatenate function as well, you can drop me a message on comment section and I can give you a reply back on that. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you friends. Bye.